In the picturesque town of Willowbrook, nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering forests, two hearts found each other amidst the beauty of nature's embrace. Emily, a free-spirited botanist with a passion for preserving the environment, spent her days wandering through fields of wildflowers, her hands caressing the petals as if they held the secrets of the universe. And then there was Daniel, a rugged outdoorsman with a heart as deep as the nearby lake, his laughter echoing through the trees as he roamed the wilderness in search of adventure. Their paths crossed one crisp autumn morning when Emily stumbled upon Daniel's campsite while conducting research for her latest project. Intrigued by his rugged charm and kind demeanor, she found herself drawn to him like a moth to a flame. And as they spent hours discussing their shared love for nature and the wonders of the world, a spark ignited between them, a spark that would soon blossom into a love as timeless as the earth itself. In the days that followed, Emily and Daniel found solace in each other's company, their hearts intertwining like vines in a forest grove. They shared quiet moments under the starlit sky, their souls bared to each other in the stillness of the night. And as they explored the beauty of Willowbrook hand in hand, they discovered a love that was as deep and enduring as the roots of the ancient oak tree that stood sentinel over the town. But just as their love began to bloom, a shadow from the past threatened to tear them apart. Secrets long buried resurfaced, casting doubt and uncertainty over their future together. Yet, in the face of adversity, Emily and Daniel refused to let go of their love, their bond growing stronger with each obstacle they overcame. With courage and determination, they faced their demons head-on, forging a path forward guided by love and forgiveness. And in the end, it was their love that triumphed, a love that transcended time and space, rooted in the very essence of their beings. As the seasons changed and the years passed, Emily and Daniel's love only grew stronger, like the mighty river that flowed through Willowbrook, unstoppable and eternal. And in the heart of the wilderness they called home, their love story became legend, a testament to the power of love to conquer all, written in the stars for eternity to behold.